Hello everyone, how are you doing? Congratulations on being promoted to grade 5. But I was thinking before we can move to grade 5, let's revise a few chapters that we've already studied in grade 4. ठीक है? B- We're all going to follow 4 steps every day to make sure we are on task. Step number 1, we will watch the video that Didi sends. Okay, just like how we're watching this video, we will watch every video that Didi sends. Step number 2, we will do the questions shown in video in our notebook. So in this video also, you will get some questions to do, questions to practice. You will do them in your notebook. Next step, the third step, is do the worksheet after watching the video. So Didi will send a worksheet after this video on our WhatsApp group, and we're all expected to do that worksheet in our notebook. And the last step is send a picture of your notebook work to Didi before deadline. It means we have to send a picture, you all have to send a picture to me, Didi, of your notebook, of the work you did by watching the video, of your worksheet before deadline. Deadline means the last date and time to submit that Didi will tell you about. Alright, so let's begin. Today we are going to revise the math, and the chapter's name is number work. We will look at 3 types of questions in number work. Question number 1 is write the following number in words, or it means we have to write the number name of the given number on screen. Alright, so we all know the first step while attempting any question in number work is we are going to write the place value. Correct. So I'm going to write the place value: units, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000. Sorry for the bad handwriting. It's difficult to write on phone. Alright. Now we're going to make buckets. Remember, Didi had taught you how to make buckets. We make buckets of tens and units, then we leave hundreds, and then we make buckets of thousands and 10,000. Amazing. So if you look at our 1,000 and 10,000 buckets, which is the highest place value bucket, we have 5 10,000 and 9,000. So 5 10,000 and 9,000 gives us 59,000. Then we have 100, so 59,000 and 100, and then we have 0 tens and 2 units. So 0 tens and 2 units make 2. So we have 59,102. Let me write that for you here. 59,102. Alright, easy. Sorry. Alright, 59,102. Let's practice. We have been given a number 10070. 10070. Didi is not going to do this for you. You're going to do this in your notebook. So pause the video, do this in your notebook, and then come back to the video. Moving on, we will do question number 2. Question number 2 is write the following number in figures or numerals. It means we have been given the number name of the number, and we have to write the digits of the number with the correct place value. Easy. Again, we're going to look at the place value first. We see we have the place value 1,000, we have the place value 100, and we have 23. So we know we have tens and units as well. Before 1,000, what do we have? We have 67. So it means we have 6 10,000s and 7,000. So I'm going to write the place values first. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000. Easy. So we see before 1,000 we have 67, which means we have 6 10,000 and 7,000. Then we have 423. So before 100 we have 4. So it means 4 goes under the place value 100. And then we have 23, which means 2 tens and 3 units. So that's our answer. Easy, isn't it? Next, we're going to practice on our own. The given number, read with me, 44,204. Write the numbers. The number name is given. Write the digits of the number with the correct place value. Pause the video, do it in your notebook and come back. Moving on. Very easy. Question number 3. We have to fill the table. So we see we have been given a table. The first row in the table is a number. So the number given to us is 48219, 48,219. The second we have in the second column we have to write the number name. Third column we have to find the difference between place value thousands and tens, and the last column we have to find the sum of the place value of hundreds and units. First step in number work problem, write the place value. I'm going to write the place value with my very bad handwriting. Units, tens, hundred, thousand. I'm so sorry for the handwriting, friends. And 10,000. Okay, I hope you can read that. I know it's very dirty. Number name. So again, we're going to make buckets of tens and units and thousands and 10,000. So if you see the 1,000 and 10,000 buckets, we have 4 10,000s and 8,000s, which means we have 48,000. Then we have 200s, and then we have 1 tenth and 9 units, which means we have 19. So the number we have is 48,219. Easy, I know. Okay, moving on. The third column says we have to find the difference. Now tell me from your from your own memory, what is the meaning of difference? Which basic operation are we going to use when we see the word difference? Is it addition, subtraction, multiplication, division? Correct? Difference means we have to subtract, so we're going to do subtraction. What are we going to subtract? We are going to see what do we have at the thousands place. So we have 8 in thousands place. So 8 in thousands place. So 8,000. And then we know difference means subtraction, so we're going to subtract. And what is in tens value? We have to find thousands and tens value. Tens, we have 1 tenth, so we are going to subtract 10. 8,000 minus 10. 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 0 can't subtract, 1 can't subtract from 0 because it is smaller, so we're going to borrow 7, this becomes 10, then this becomes 9, then this becomes 10. I'm so sorry. Then this becomes 10. 10 minus 1, 9. This becomes 9. And this becomes 7. So the answer is 7,990. Similarly, for the last column, we have to find the sum. Sum means which basic operation, friends? Addition, subtraction, multiplication or division? Correct. Sum is addition. So we have to add the place value hundreds and units. So what do we have in hundreds place value? We have 200, and units we have 9 units. So sum means add, so I'm going to add. Write the answer yourself. I'm not going to write it. Okay, amazing. Moving on. Please make this table in your notebook. Write the answer yourself and click a picture and send it to me. Pause the video, do it in your notebook and send it to me. Okay? Alright, moving on. Oh, and we are done. So we only practiced 3 types of questions. Question number 1 was we had to write the number name of the number by looking at the number. Question number 2 was we were given the number name and we had to write the digits of the number in the correct place value. And question number 3 was we had to fill the table using the concepts of number work. Now it's time for worksheet. So in your WhatsApp group, Didi is sending a few worksheets, not a few worksheets, only one worksheet with these three types of questions only, but more questions so that we can practice more and become champions in number work. So Didi will send that worksheet on WhatsApp group. The last date to submit the worksheet is 2nd June, which means tomorrow before 2 p.m. 2 p.m. means afternoon 2 o'clock. So before tomorrow 2 o'clock, please send the worksheet to me, which means the picture of the worksheet that you do in your notebook to me. Try sending it to me today itself so that we can learn new things tomorrow. And Didi has a surprise for you. We have a leaderboard. So every time you finish your work on time before the deadline, Didi has made a leaderboard for everyone in the class, and Didi will keep adding a star. So every time, say Abdul finishes his homework, he's going to get a star. Like this. So be ready to get as many stars as possible, and let's see who gets the maximum number of stars. With that, thank you friends. Have fun doing your work. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Also, please call me or text me if you have any doubts. Alright? I don't need to say that, but yeah. Bye bye.